Hello guys. Welcome on EFX Trading Channel. Today we analyze a one-day candle in Bitcoin and USD pair. Let's get our market direction today. Because these are the ones that will get a good guide to decide to do Forex trading. Once you draw resistance and support lines like this, go to the 15-minute time frame to see if the market is buying or selling today. And that's where we will set our trap. Okay. Now we have seen our market is moving on a 15-minute time frame. But with that, we will return to the one-day time frame to draw a line where the candle opened of one day. As you can see our chart, we draw a resistance line above the first candle and support under the same candle of the first one. The line I draw where the candle opened. I change the color to distinguish it from other lines. As you can see our chart, we draw a resistance line above the first candle and support under the same candle of the first one. We have look at the last two candles. They are bullish and bearish. Bullish is a green candle that is big, and bearish is red. Here we use a green candle. We have to draw the resistance and support lines again. I give this a yellow color. A red candle if it breaks the yellow line of the bottom, and the price goes up a little and continues to go down. Then that's where we will sell. And if you go in the opposite direction, that is, you break the upper yellow line, then that's where we will buy. I draw arrows that will give you the freedom to understand the right direction. Guys, my hope is to educate. With each step again the correct steps that are of great benefit to you. I really count on your support for a subscribe, comment, share, and like. Please consider what I explained to you. Welcome to the world of money and Forex. Thank you.